different interview. Like sometimes I give sales and marketing interview. Sometimes I give HR manager to I want to check my eye contact. I want to check my hand movement. I'm
Okay.
working on it. Why? That's why.
Great, great, great.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
great. So since when you are working on your communication skills?
Yeah, actually, Darbhanga is a small city, so here I didn't get any coaching institute where I can go and I can improve my personality. So communication skills. That's why I talk with my friends and I talk
Okay,
with strangers.
okay,
Actually,
okay.
earlier I was not comfortable. To talk with strangers, but now I am comfortable. So I talk with strangers. I talk with
Great, great.
strangers.
That's great thing. I think everyone can.
Yeah, and
Everyone,
also every day I give different interview. Like sometimes I give sales and marketing interview. Sometimes I give HR management interview. Different interview I really give, so that I don't know. So when I when I give interview, so the interviewers are really good in communication, and
uh,
they are good in English speaking. They are good in everything. So I learned, although I rejected in each and every because these are related to my field.
no, so, so
I have
you are
given
getting.
5 interviews related to sales and marketing, and I have no idea about sales and marketing. I have also given HR interview, and how can I become HR? But I have given.
How do you
Yeah,
get these interview calls?
actually, how do I get? I have make my profile on LinkedIn. Okay,
Okay,
LinkedIn. So every day I check, job, and they in job I search sometimes sales and marketing. I search sometimes HR. If I get, then I send, I send my resume to HR.
okay,
Directly
okay,
I send my resume. Then sometimes my resume rejected. Sometimes my resume selected. Then they call me, and they have some curriculum. They have some program. They first take our telephonic interview. So I somehow I selected in telephonic interview. Then I get chance to talk with HR, and I talk,
okay.
and somehow I rejected in HR round. But I learned so many things from HR
Yeah, of
round.
course you.
They are speaking good, and and somehow I build my confidence. Help
That's
me,
inspiring
help.
actually. That's
Yeah.
inspiring for every student who belongs from a rural areas and who also want to improve their communication skills. So I think they should take inspiration from you.
Yeah, and also in my area, I get limited people, and they are not good in, they are not professional, and they are not good in communication, and these things. They don't know how to speak flawless in English, and I want to become public speaker. I want to speak English like flawless English, like Kate Tutor speak. You must
Yeah,
have
yeah.
seen Kate Tutor. So they speak, flawless English. So I want to become like her. So that's why I'm preparing. And if I get chance, actually in August I'm going to go. I am going to Delhi. So if
Okay.
I get chance, so I will take admission, like in any
So
public speaking classes, and I have
when
to
will you
give,
going to Delhi? When will you going to Delhi? When will you be going to Delhi?
because I have to give two examinations. One is Jamia Millia Islamia, and another one is IPU.
Okay. So you are going for MTech.
Yeah, I want to do
Okay.
MTech because I believe if anyone have any if anyone have any skill, so they should find out, figure out any way to monetize their skill and earn some
Exactly.
money. So I have 4 years of teaching experience. When I was
Okay.
in my college, so I used to teach my friends. And
Great.
also
Great.
sometimes I get chance to teach on board. you know my
Great.
lecturer my lecturer every time, especially there is one subject in my curriculum, operating system. So
Yeah.
I love
OS.
Yeah, I love that subject. And whenever they ask me any question, so I used to go on whiteboard, and I used to teach my whole classroom student.
Okay, so you know everything about a deadlock and what is the.
Yeah, I know everything. I know everything.
Yeah, great. So I did MCA, and I am also from computer background.
Okay. Yeah, I know
And
deadlock. Deadlock,
yeah,
when, like, we can give example of train. When two train comes in same platform,
exactly.
and okay, like, if in same times you want to speak and I will speak, then they
The
between
deadlock will create it,
gets
right?
collapse. Yeah, deadlock of in kind of thing in which process are not able to execute. They goes into deadlock. So you are
Exactly.
from MSc, sorry, you did MCA from
Yes,
which?
Sarda University, Greater Noida.
Okay, Greater Noida. Yeah,
Yeah.
actually, when
I
I
have
was
been living in Delhi only. My hometown is Agra, but I have been living in Delhi only. So I
oh,
have been living in Delhi for 7 to 8 years actually.
yeah, when I was in college, so in when I get chance in summer vacation, usually I get chance in summer vacation. I used to get chance in summer vacation, so I used to go Delhi to to learn C++, Java, Python. So I learned C from there is one institute,
Infotech,
SETPA Infotech.
SETPA, yeah, SETPA, DUCAT, yeah, these are the some famous institute in
So
Delhi
you
actually.
are aware of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I learned C++. In 1 year, first year of my college, I learned C. Second year of my college, I learned C++. Third year of college, I learned Java and Python. Fourth year of my college, I learned DL and ML.
So which subject do you teach on this platform?
Yeah, actually, I teach Python and web development
Okay.
at Code Karo Yaro. There is one platform, Code Karo Yaro. Actually, you can also, anyone can teach if they have interest in teaching, and they know code concept of programming. If they
Yes.
know Python, HTML, and web development, and they can teach easily and simple way, so they can teach. Like I teach 11th and 12th student, 9th and 10th student.
Okay. Okay.
Sometimes 8 and 7 students. Sometimes I get 5 and 6 class student. Then I teach.
Okay.
And
So
it depends
they
on
paid according to the monthly basis, or they paid according to
it according to per hour.
per hour. Okay.
Yeah, you can get that much amount. You can survive, but you can survive. Like
Okay.
you don't.
Don't need to take from your parents and all. So
Yeah,
you can manage your pocket. Great,
you can
Monali.
manage your, and also, and you, yeah. And if I talk about doubts, so I'm doubt solver educator on Unacademy. So where I am preparing for GATE examination. So there are many students. They prepare for GATE examination. So they have, if they have doubts, so they put their doubts on Unacademy. And if I am able to solve their doubts, then I pick their doubts and I make videos, and then I upload. So if I make one video and I upload any one doubts, so I get 100. One doubts I get 100. And if I talk about Code Karo Yaro, so it depends on a student. It depends if I take workshop, so I get more. If I take simple demo classes and simple classes, so I get as per.
Great,
Yeah,
great, great, Monalisa. You are doing great job.
I enjoy.
Yeah.
I don't feel, yeah, I am working anywhere. I'm doing anything. And actually, I want to go either in research field or educational field. So yeah,
Okay.
that's why I am prepared. Yeah, I am preparing for, if I get chance, so I will go, and I have experience, so it will be good for my future.
When are you coming to Delhi?
How many languages do you know?
You are talking about programming language or communication language?
I'm talking about programming language.
Programming language. So I worked on .NET and XML and HTML. But recently, I am working on SEO and all that digital marketing field actually.
Okay, so you have interest also these kind of thing like affiliate marketing, digital marketing, this
Yes,
blogging.
yes, yes. Blogging type.
Yeah, right now actually I have been learning affiliate marketing, but I didn't get time to complete my whole course. So I
So,
stuck in second
which,
video.
which type of affiliate marketing you want to do?
Like Amazon product related.
Okay, okay. I mean, in which niche you want to work? Like you want to work. So if you are good in actually teaching skill in teaching, so you should go for affiliate marketing for teaching products. Like uh, you should promote that product like software product or anything that related to your teaching field.
Yeah, good idea. Like I can go with like laptop, mouse, and
Exactly,
which mouse is good, which laptop is which
exactly.
RAM is good.
Also,
These kind of
also
things.
also like there are lots of you working on this academy, and there are other master in that field actually, so like Whitehead Junior.
Yeah, I have given interview of White Hand Junior, and I rejected only for 5 marks. Actually, yeah, they have requirement of 60% marks, and I got 55% marks. They take 100 marks examination. I have given 2 times.
Okay, so you
I
can
have
do affiliate marketing for these type of products. You can promote these products and you will get a big amount of margin actually.
yeah,
They provide the big affiliate margin actually.
yeah. Why not this idea came into mind earlier? Yeah, I didn't think about that.
So, like you
Good
already,
idea.
already working with an academy, so you can compare an academy and Whitehead Junior, and you give solution to someone else. Like if you want to go with this Whitehead Junior, you will get this benefits, and your child will get this type of benefit. And if you go with an academy, these are the benefit of an academy, and these are the drawbacks. So you can compare this type of product, and you can give your affiliate link in the description. Like if you want to go with an academy, you can go with this link, and if you go with Whitehead Junior, you can go with this link. So you will get a huge amount of affiliate margin actually.
Yeah, actually, I want to start, guide people how to prepare for GATE examination. So I have uploaded 2 videos, and after that, yeah, it takes a lot time to make video. That's why I'm searching for any. I am planning to make video through my laptop. So it would be good for me.
Okay.
I will record my screen, then I will explain.
Yeah, you can do that.
It's good for me. Yeah.
Great, great.
So
And
right now you are working here or you are
yeah, I am working with the media organization in
okay.
Delhi.
You have done your MCA.
Yeah, I have done my MCA, and I have been working with a media organization from last 5 to 6 year actually. So I have 6 year experience in media.
So what do you do in media industry?
In media, my job is to schedule the program. So like you watch any news channel or any entertainment channel. So there was some advertisement during the show. So we have to decide the which advertisement go at what time, and after that which advertisement will go. So we scheduled all these advertisement actually.
Oh, great! You are doing great job. So I think you are working since when you were in your second year of college or third year of.
Yeah, I have been working from the last semester actually. So when I was in my last semester, I started working.
Okay. And when you have completed your MCA, then you decided to pursue and after BCA, you have decided to pursue MCA.
No, I didn't do BCA. I did BSc.
Okay. So you did BSc, then you
Yeah,
get admission in
after
MCA.
that MCA, right?
Wow, it's inspiring. Actually, I have one friend and she also did MSc, IT MSc from DU, and
Okay.
now she has done MCA from DU. First
Okay,
she
great.
did BSc, IT BSc, and then she did MCA from DU. Yeah.
Okay. What about your family? You live along with your family or alone?
With my friend.
Sorry, your voice was cracked.
It's problem. It's network problem.
Anything else you want to ask?
It's been a pleasure talking with you. It's been pleasure connecting with you.
Same here, Monalisa. And
You can also send my recordings, so I am excited to watch.
Okay, sure. I'll send it to you.
Thank you.
Okay, nice.